Hi everyone, long time no speak. I've been moving craft rooms. I am now back in the garden in a new shed, nearly finished. Still trying to find things. I have managed to get this done. This is a custom order for a lady named Suzanne. The brief was Lily of the Valley, and then it sort of morphed into spring and flowers, and the favourite colour is yellow, but she wanted a green cover. So I'm sort of pretty much taken and ran with a lot of things, and bugs. That was the other thing, butterflies, bugs, that type of thing. So what I've ended up with is a journal which, if my memory serves me right, 180 odd pages, I think. 8 3/4 by 6 to there, 1 1/4 spine. Trying to think, 6 signatures. There we go. Sorry, brain dead. Been painting the outside and my arms are killing me. So on the front we've got an embossed Lily of the Valley, which was the main brief. A couple of heat embossed butterflies, and I've gone over this with some gilding wax. And we've got a hitch fastener, and on the back, some silk ribbon as a closure. So there's a little fabric printed Lily of the Valley and a bit of doily, crochet doily on the back. So if we go straight in, we have got, if I move my light a little, that looks a bit better. This is 49 and West, this paper. So I just thought it went really nice. Ferns was the other thing Suzanne wanted, so I like that. So Lily of the Valley, that's our first page. This is a Dreams Etc. on the inside of the pages. So spring daffodils, of which we have quite a few coming up at the moment. Swallows, I think. It's Edith Holden pages. And some more. And I've used my green collage kit. Green, blue. I'll put the links to all the different papers that I've used underneath. We have a bit of clip art on the side. This is the Spring Promise kit. I will get my teeth sorted at some point. And we have some more watermarks. This is a collage envelope. Except I've got lace everywhere. Not lace, tails of the papers everywhere. And there's a little card inside. And the centre. Centres I've gone with Lily of the Valley, and this one is with violets. And the other envelope, another card inside, watermark. These are sort of ATC size, so 2.5, 3.5, which Suzanne, feel free to put in if you want tuck spots, glue down, or just move it down and then clip your things to the back of it. Ponies and foals. I thought, yeah, that's spring. Oh, swallows. They were swallows. And those are 2 bouquets of Lily of the Valley with roses. And that looks like a maidenhair fern, I think. Another card. The language of flowers. Lily of the Valley. Return of happiness. I didn't know that. See all these things that you find out when you're searching for things. Tulips. This is actually printed on, I found this when I was moving rooms, when I was moving all my stuff up here. And it's supposed to be a kind of parchment paper, maybe marbleised a little bit. I don't know, just thought it looked, I quite like that. Some more watermarks, poetry, book pages, part of the green collage kit, and the centre, so that's a bouquet of roses and lily of the valley. So, back of the book pages and the poetry, watermarks. That's the other half of this paper. A little tag that's clipped on. And so, very sort of, I think this was done in about, if memory serves me right, 1700s, that botanical sort of illustration of the lily of the valley. Some roses, which was another one of the briefs. These are all dreams, etc. These, the backing pages. A big tag. A bit of parchment paper. Not parchment, what am I on about? Vellum. Printed vellum. Gosh, it feels like it's been ages. So out of practice. Another clip on. A bit more Edith Holden. Lambs. Definitely springtime. We have got so many running around the fields at the moment. And the centre. Different arrangements of flowers, but still the same too. So lily of the valley and violets, just different arrangements. And that is definitely springtime, although not so much at the moment. We've been having it really, really hot. So I'm assuming that's about to change. Back page of the printed vellum. Pockets or tuck spots. And then, what have we got? Bloody crane's bill and cow herb. Tag. These are Gordon Benningfield pictures. These ones. Envelope. I haven't put the ticket inside, or the card inside. I've left it there so you can arrange it how you will. It's another collage. This one I've used. And these doilies were either given to me by Andrea from Artie Mays or Tina from Hummingbird Designs. They very kindly sent me a load and absolutely love them because they don't do them around here. Another card in the centre. Back of the bag, another ticket. A bit more clipper, watermarks. Daisies. And the swallow. Ticket or pocket or tuck spot or however. Big tag in there. Some more watermarks. Some more printed vellum. Poem about the snowdrop. Another one, a book page. How many different layouts can you get, all with snowdrops and violets? There were so many different ones to choose from. Another envelope with their tag stuck on. I've just clipped it to the front. And the back of the pages. printed ferns, back of the vellum, and some. I have to admit, know the difference between daffodils and narcissus, but I am starting to appreciate them now. So those are daffodils. Some more of this printed parchment paper. Tickets. Some more ferns in the corner. A bit more, another watermark. Another arrangement of Lily of the Valley. Love how bright they are. Everything seems to be yellow for spring. This is the back of the parchment. And the back page with another 49 and West page on the back, paper on the back. So there we go, Suzanne. I hope you're pleased with it. I know you're on holiday at the moment, so please don't worry. It's just that, it's done. We're moved into the shed. We now have birds and peace and quiet. So there you go. I will be back soon. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.